In 1850, during our country's Industrial Revolution, railroads became the most important form of transportation for a newly booming economy. Crazy Theodore Judah suggested the building of one unifying railroad that stretched from the east to the west coast of America. I'm going to California to become the pioneering railroad engineer of the Pacific Coast. I'm going to get some men to build a railroad in the Sacramento Valley. It will be the first railroad west of the Missouri River.
Living on the ecstasy, give it all, give it all you got. Come on, give it all you got.
A group of Sacramento merchants formed the Central Pacific Railroad as a response to Judah's idea. Thomas Huntington, Charles Crocker, Mark Hopkins, and Leland Stanford raised money for the building of the western half of the railroad. These were men known as the Big Four. Thomas Huntington worked to get permits and support from the Congress. Charles Crocker oversaw the construction. Mark Hopkins kept all the accounts.
Wild school rebel, a 10 for the revelry.
And Leland Stanford worked in public relations.
Shake it, take it to the spot.
Their funds were limited, but with their ingenuity and persistence, overcame obstacles. The success of the railroad made these men millionaires, and what provided to be one of the greatest advances in transportation in the country's history. On July 1st, 1862, President Abraham Lincoln signed the Pacific Railroad Act. The project was now complete, and it came time to test this revolutionary design. On his way to New York to find financial backers for this project, Judah came across a serious illness and died on November 2nd, 1863.
One hot southern belle, sound of a devil.
With the help of these men, the Big Four, acting upon Crazy Theodore Judah's idea, the United States was able to expand its economy through the use of transcontinental railroad, eventually becoming the world's superpower of the 20th century. The end.